Hello students, in this video we will discuss this question. Express the matrix. This is 2 cross 2 matrix given, okay, and we have to express the matrix A as the sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Means we have to convert the matrix A into two matrix, okay, B and C, where B will be symmetric matrix and C will be a skew symmetry matrix. Okay, first we need to understand the question. Okay, I will explain from very basic. Okay, we have to express the matrix A as the sum of two matrix. The first one will be symmetric, second one will be skew symmetric. So two words here, one is symmetric and other is skew symmetric. What is the meaning of symmetric and skew symmetric? Symmetric means a matrix is called symmetric if B, suppose B is a matrix I am calling symmetric, then B transpose will be equal to B. If B transpose is equal to B, then we will call the matrix B as symmetric matrix. Okay, and a skew symmetric means if a matrix C, here C is the matrix, okay, C matrix is called skew symmetric. A matrix is called skew symmetric if C transpose is equal to minus C. C transpose is equal to minus C. Then we will call a matrix as a skew symmetric matrix. So one term came here, transpose. What is the meaning of transpose? Okay, what is the meaning of transpose? So I will explain this also. Transpose. What is the meaning of transpose? Okay, if a matrix, suppose a matrix I am taking X, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. I am taking 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, and we have to find the transpose. This is a symbol of transpose. Either you can use this symbol or you can use this symbol. Okay, both are fine. So I am using the T symbol, T for transpose. Okay, so X transpose will be equal to, if we have to find the transpose of this matrix, then what I will do? I will exchange the rows and columns. Rows means this is called rows. Okay, row 1, row 2, and this is called column. Column 1, column 2. These both are column. These both are column 2. Okay. Similarly, these two are rows 1 and these two are rows 2. Okay. So what I will do? I will exchange the rows and columns. Okay. So first row will become first column, like 1, 2. In the simple way I am telling. Okay. First row will become first column. First row will become first column because we are finding the transpose. Similarly, second row will become second column. Second row will become second column. Simple. First row will become first column. Second row will become second column. So now elements are like this. Okay. Initially it was 1, 2 first row. Now 1, 3. 3, 4, then 2, 4. Okay. I exchanged the rows and column. I interchange. If I will say interchange, then that is a suitable word. I will interchange the row with column. First row with first column, second row with second column. That is called transpose of a matrix. So I hope it is clear. A skew matrix, a skew symmetric and symmetric matrix. It is clear. So now I am moving to the question. Okay. So it is clear, transpose and skew symmetric and skew symmetric. Okay. So now I am moving to the question. Okay. Now question is, we have to convert the matrix A into sum of symmetric and skew symmetry matrix. Okay. So how, if this type of question will come, then a skew symmetric matrix will be half A plus A transpose. Okay. Because we have to convert this A. Okay, then left side and right side should be equal. Okay, then only I can express the A into, like I can write 3 as 1 plus 2. Okay, so left side is equal, right side is equal. Okay, similarly, if I am expressing the A into sum of two terms, then sum of right side should be equal to the left side. Okay, So first I will write, then I will explain. So A I will write as half A plus A transpose and plus half A minus A transpose. Okay, I can write like this. Okay, when you will expand the right side, then right side will be half A plus A transpose plus A minus A transpose. Okay, A transpose cancel, half into 2A. So this is nothing but A. So it means left side and right side both are same. Okay, so I can express the A in this term. Why I am expressing like this? Okay, if I will express like this, then when you will observe, this is nothing but symmetric. Okay, I can check this also. This is not part of the solution, I am just explaining now. Okay, so how it will be symmetric? If a matrix is symmetric, suppose I am telling this matrix has a B. Okay, so B matrix is half A plus A transpose. Again I am repeating, this is not part of the solution, I am just explaining. Okay, then I will start the answer of the question. Okay, so then B transpose I will find. If B transpose is equal to B, then I can say this is symmetric. Okay, so I will check, I will find the B transpose. B transpose means half A plus A transpose to the transpose. Okay, half is nothing, so half I will take outside. Okay, then half, and there is algebra of transpose. Okay, if A plus B transpose, then A transpose plus B transpose, simple algebra rule. So this transpose will get to this A transpose plus A transpose to the transpose. Okay, correct, like this. So it will be half A transpose and plus A transpose to the transpose will be A only. A transpose to the transpose will be A only. Okay, so this is nothing but B only. Okay, when you will see, this was B, correct, this was our B. Okay, so B was half A plus A transpose, this is also half A plus A transpose. A transpose plus A is similar to A plus A transpose. Okay, so this is nothing but B. So what I got B transpose as B. Okay, and B was nothing but this. Okay, so it means this matrix A, half of A plus A transpose, is nothing but symmetric. Similarly, if you will check this, then you will get that this is skew symmetric. Okay, so now I will come to the question. Okay, this I explained you how I can represent the A as summation of symmetric and skew symmetric. This is nothing but symmetric. Okay, symmetric matrix, and this is nothing but a skew symmetric matrix. A skew symmetric matrix. This you can write in solution like this. Okay, symmetric and skew symmetric. Now A matrix has given, so we have to find the symmetric matrix, because we have to get this matrix, symmetric matrix. What is the value of this half of A plus A transpose, and what is the value of half of A minus A transpose? Okay, so now I will try to solve this. How I can solve? Okay, so to solve the first one, I need to get A plus A transpose and A minus A transpose. Okay, so since A is given as a matrix is given as 1, 5, minus 1, 2. So can I get the A transpose? I explained you, correct? So first row will become first column, okay, and second row will become second column. So minus 1, 2. Okay, so this will be our A transpose. Now I will get the first, I will find A plus A transpose, then I will multiply with half. Okay, so now I will find A plus A transpose. A plus A transpose means addition of matrix. Addition of matrix means first matrix is 1, 5 minus 1, 2. 1, 5 minus 1, 2, and plus the transpose will be 1 minus 1, 5, 2. You wrote in the previous page, correct? 1 minus 1, 5, 2. So just I wrote. Okay, now I will add. So addition, then corresponding element will get added. 1 will get added with 1. Okay, 5 will get added with minus 1. Okay, corresponding elements will get added. Okay, so I will add. So 1 will get added with 1, and then 5 plus minus 1 will be 5 minus 1, and minus 1 plus 5 and 2 plus 2. Corresponding elements will get added. So result I will get 2, 5 minus 1, 4, minus 1 plus 5, 4, 2 plus 2, 4. And now I have to get the half of A plus A transpose. So half into and A plus A transpose, we got 2, 4, 4, 4. Okay, so I will multiply 2, 4, 4, 4. And in the previous videos I told you how I can multiply this 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 will get multiplied to each element. 1 upon 2 into 2, 1 upon 2 into 4, 1 upon 2 into 4, 1 upon 2 into 4. In every element it will get multiplied. So 1 upon 2 into 2 will be 1, then 2, then 2, 2. Correct? 1 upon 2 will get multiplied to each element. Okay, then I will get this. So this is our symmetric matrix. You can check also, you will get the same result. Okay, so this will be our symmetric matrix. Okay, now in the next page I will find the skew symmetry matrix. Skew symmetric means half of A minus A transpose. So first I will find A minus A transpose. So A minus A minus A transpose. So A was nothing but A was 1, 5 minus 1, 2. 1, 5 minus 1, 2. Minus A transpose will be 1 minus 1, 5, 2. Correct? We found there 1 minus 1, 5, 2. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 5, 2. Okay, so now I will calculate. Okay, so similarly corresponding element 1 will get added with 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1, and then 5 minus minus 1, 5 minus minus 1. So minus of minus 1 will be plus 1. So I will write directly, because we have to write directly, otherwise the steps will be more. Okay, so how many steps you will write? Okay, so that will be complicated again. Then minus 1 minus 5. So minus 1 minus 5. Okay, then 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. When you will solve this, 1 minus 1 is 0, 5 plus 1 is 6, minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6, and 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, and we have to multiply with half, because the skew symmetric was half minus A transpose. So half into this matrix 0, 6, minus 6, 0. So similarly minus 1 will 1 upon 2 will get multiplied to each element. So this will be 0, and 6 upon 2 will be 3, minus 3, 6 upon 2 will be minus 3, 0 upon 2 will be 0. Okay, so this will be our skew symmetric matrix. You can check also, you will get the same result. Okay, so now the last step will be our answer. Okay, so I will write as A equal to, first symmetric, this is symmetric, 1 2 2 2, 1 2 2 2. Okay, and plus half of A minus A transpose I got here 0 3 minus 3 0, 0 3 minus 3 0. Okay, so this will be our answer. Okay, so I hope you understood. Okay, so this will be our solution. This is nothing but symmetric, and this is nothing but skew symmetric. Okay, so question was, what was the question? We'll go in starting. So question was, we have to express the A into sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. So symmetric and skew symmetric, and just after that, just I got the value of this, I got the value of this, and then I wrote. Okay, the same thing. Okay, the value of half of A plus A transpose is this, and value of half of A minus A transpose is this. Just I put those values. That is our final answer. Okay, so I hope you understood. Okay, so thanks for watching.